Hey there, clean freaks and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're scrubbing up some fun as we dive into the slippery world of soap. Get ready for 15 surprising facts about soap that will leave you in awe. So, lather up and let's get started. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Did you know that soap has been around for over 4,000 years? The ancient Babylonians were the first to create soap by mixing water, alkali, and cassia oil. Talk about a history of cleanliness. Fact 2. Soap as medicine. In ancient Egypt, soap wasn't just for cleaning. It was also used as a remedy for skin diseases. Egyptians believed that a clean body led to a healthy body. Pretty smart thinking, right? Fact 3. The soap revolution. The use of soap became widespread in Europe during the Middle Ages. It was especially popular in Italy, France, and Spain, where soap making became a serious business. Fun fact, the word soap comes from sapo, the Latin word for soap. Fact 4. The world's oldest soap factory. The world's oldest known soap factory was discovered in Israel and dates back to the 9th century. It produced soap using olive oil, which was then exported across the Mediterranean. Now that's some ancient industry. Fact 5. The rise of liquid soap. While bar soap has been around for ages, liquid soap is a more modern invention. It was first patented in 1865 by William Shepard. But it wasn't until the 1980s that liquid soap became a household staple. Fact 6. Soap saves lives. Washing hands with soap can reduce the risk of respiratory infections by up to 21% and prevent diarrheal diseases by up to 50%. No wonder it's considered one of the most effective ways to stay healthy. Fact 7. Soap bubbles and science. Ever wonder why soap creates bubbles? It's all about the chemistry. Soap molecules have a hydrophilic water-attracting head and a hydrophobic water-repelling tail. This allows them to trap air and form bubbles. Science can be fun and soapy. Fact 8. The soap opera connection. Did you know that the term soap opera originated because these dramatic radio and TV shows were often sponsored by soap manufacturers? Companies like Procter and Gamble wanted to target housewives, so they created content that would keep them engaged while selling soap. Fact 9. The Great Soap Shortage. During World War I and World War II, soap was in short supply due to the scarcity of fats and oils, which are essential for making soap. People had to get creative with their cleaning methods during these tough times. Fact 10. The making of soap. Traditional soap making involves a process called saponification. This is when fats or oils are combined with an alkali, like lye, to produce soap. It's a delicate balance. Too much lye, and the soap can be harsh. Too little, and it won't clean effectively. Fact 11. Soap versus detergent. Soap and detergent might seem similar, but they're actually quite different. Soap is made from natural ingredients like fats and oils, while detergents are synthetic and often used for heavy-duty cleaning. So, next time you do the dishes, check what you're using. Fact 12. Soap and the environment. Traditional soap is biodegradable and breaks down naturally in the environment. But be careful, some commercial soaps contain additives that aren't as eco-friendly. Going natural with your soap can be better for you and the planet. Fact 13. The most expensive soap. Believe it or not, the world's most expensive soap costs over $2,800. Made in Lebanon, it contains pure gold and diamond powder. But don't worry, you can get clean without spending a fortune. Fact 14. Soap and COVID-19. During the COVID-19 pandemic, soap played a crucial role in preventing the spread of the virus. The virus has a lipid layer that soap can break down, effectively rendering the virus inactive. Just another reason to keep washing those hands. Fact 15. The DIY soap craze. In recent years, making soap at home has become a popular hobby. With just a few ingredients, you can create your own personalized bars of soap. It's fun, creative, and makes for great gifts. And there you have it, 15 surprising facts about soap. Whether it's keeping you clean, saving lives, or being a luxury item, soap is truly a fascinating part of our daily lives. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a sudsy fact.